Technician powers on the machine, observing its behavior prior to diagnosing any issues. This initial observation serves as a critical step in uncovering the underlying problem. The displayed error code is FD, signaling a malfunction linked to the motor. Recognizing this code enables technicians to accurately target specific components that may require repair or replacement. The technician notes that the FD error could lead to potential confusion regarding the control board, underscoring the necessity for precise diagnosis to prevent unnecessary repairs. In detail, the FD error points to issues within the clutch motor, which can result in the motor running continuously. Correctly identifying this fault is essential for effective repairs. The video details methods for assessing the motor's functionality without requiring disassembly, thereby streamlining the troubleshooting process for users. A schematic representation of the motor's operation is provided, allowing for a swift diagnosis of motor issues, which is more time efficient than complete disassembly. Adopting proper inspection techniques is crucial. Identifying the purpose of different wires and connectors is vital for comprehending the motor's operation. It is important to note that wire color coding may vary across different models. If the motor operates but no voltage appears on the brown wire, this points to a malfunction in the internal limit switch. This identification is crucial for determining the root cause of the malfunction. Demonstrating resourcefulness, the technician replaces the faulty limit switch with a compatible part sourced from another device, such as a microwave. This approach can enhance repair efficiency. The washing machine was initially established with specific electrical connections to test its functions. Verifying correct wiring is critical for the machine's performance. Various operational modes, like washing and spinning, were assessed. Understanding the electrical states across each mode is essential for effective troubleshooting. In conclusion, the video offers guidance on addressing similar issues, highlighting the importance of patience during repairs. Viewers are encouraged to implement these troubleshooting techniques.